hurry up, guys. We don't have time.
I'm not playing soccer.
They call me the sock. You see Adrian sneezes like,
Have you heard Elisa sneeze?
Wait, look at